Hi, my name is Sarah Logman, and I'm going to be explaining question number 4 on quiz number 4. So first I do test.pen up, test.back, and I chose 737 so that I have enough space, and then I put my pen back down, and then I use the definition that was given, and in order to solve this problem I use turtle. So I have t, width, height, space, and in size, and then I'm trying to form a rectangle with X in the center. So then I use test, width, height, and size. And then I pick my pen back up, and then I go forward and do pen down. And then I use a for loop. And then I use if I is not equal to 0, and then width, height is equal to height and width. And then again I do test, width, height, and size. I pick my pen up, forward, the width divided by 2, test.pen down, pen up, and then I go forward, and then I use what was given, and then I ran my code, and it was correct, so I knew I was right.